In Boya, the city of legendary hospitality, on Sunday, January 2021, a popularly known area known as My 17 Park was quite busy with an influx of travelers from and to the town. This is as a result of school resumption and end of holidays. Township taxis are scarce with the ones available. The highest bidder gets on board and those with less pay are left stranded at the park. A bread vendor told us that she was made one of her highest sales and bracing up for the days ahead. Meanwhile, some travelers have lamented over the loss of their luggages and loss of their loved ones. Second, technical breakdown of hospital machines at the Bamenda Hemodialysis Center has forced the health establishment into a temporary closure. This comes to add to the already existing challenging situation of kidney patients in the region, many of whom have been complaining about the lack of adequate facilities and health care. The director of the Bamenda Regional Hospital says the facility's hemodialysis center is being closed temporarily. This, he says, is due to unforeseen acute breakdown of the machines in the dialysis center. The hemodialysis center has been temporarily closed and patients transferred to other general and regional machines of the center. Dr. Denis Same added in a radio announcement to get health care for the time being. They will now be compelled to travel longer distances on not so good roads and increase additional expenditures. But earlier today, another communique from the Regional Delegation of Public Health in the Northwest region says that the Bamenda Hemodialysis Center has not been closed. The statement adds that the machines are being replaced by the Ministry of Public Health and will go operational in the days ahead. Next, the governor of the Northwest region, Adolphe Lele Lafouique, have celebrated what they termed 2021 a year of success and better days ahead. The governor told the population that life of the Operation Ghost Towns instituted by separatists is very short, as a special program to abolish it will surface as the region gets into the new year 2021. Adolphe Lele Lafouique reiterated that parents and guardians should tell their children still in the bushes with arms to drop them down and come out and join in rebuilding the region. On the other hand, Paul Achombong, Bamenda City Mayor, said the Operation Ghost Town is unprofitable in any way and thus should be buried and development given a chance. The divisional officer of Bamenda 3 is also planning to seal shops and business premises in Bamenda that shall respect Monday Ghost Town come the 4th. According to a press release signed by Divisional Officer Basilekin Josh Mangloa, a commission shall inspect all business premises on Monday 4th as from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Honored to inform you that a commission will proceed from Monday 4th January 2021 to control your business establishment, read the communique. This is coming as a confirmation after City Mayor Paul Achobong made the announcement days ago while denouncing respect of Ghost Town in the city. After the break, we move out of the country to Nigeria's presidential runoffs elections. Mohamed Bazoum to face Mahamane Usman. We take on a break.